To show music info on always on display when the theater mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap theater, tap change setting, and then tap always on display. Now tap the gray on option next to show music information to turn on this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the theater mode is active and you are playing music, your phone will show music information on your always on display screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.